Now that the holidays are coming and everybody is wanting to make a wish list of what they want for Christmas, Amazon wish list is the right for you because you can add anything that you want from Amazon. You can also add your idea lists, and also you can add products that are on different websites. And also I'm gonna show you how you can share this wish list to others and how you can manage the wish list on Amazon. So let's go to the video. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Joyce, and today I will be making an update of this video right here, that is how you can create an Amazon wish list and share it. And I'm gonna share some other tips and things that you have asked me while this video has been up. Okay, so let's go to my computer now. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to your amazon.ca.com, wherever you are. Once that you are in amazon.com, you go to this menu right here, and then you go to here where it says create a wish list. Click on that, and what you're gonna see next is create a new list. Okay, here it says list name. And you can name this list whatever you want. Christmas 2022, okay? And then click on create list button. Now you have created your wish list. Now here you have some things to check. First, you can see that this list is private. Here you have the option to invite others to view or actually view and edit your wish list. And you can choose to do so by clicking on these buttons. You can click on view only and you will get a copy link that if you click on it, your link will be copied and you will copy it on a web browser and check if you can see this list. This link will work so your friends or family members will be able to see what is on your wish list, okay? You can also invite them by email and it will prompt you your default email, and you can actually send an email with this link as well. Now, if you click on view and edit, you can invite people that can view and edit your wish list, which means that they can also add or remove things from your wish list. You can do this if you are within the same circle of family members. Let's say that you're making a wish list for your mom and your sister is helping you to build this wish list, then this will be the option for you. As you can see right now, you don't have anything on your wish list. Now let's go and add some things to the list. I'm gonna use this add idea to list, and I'm gonna add Canon camera. These are just typed by you. If you actually want to add some products that you already saw on Amazon, then you will go and click on the product you saw and then go all the way down until you see add to wish list right here. Then you click on this one and you can click on that drop down, and if you have more wish list, then you will choose which wish list you want to add this product. In this case, I'm gonna add it here. Now let's just add some more. Add to wish list. I'm gonna add this one as well. Let's click on view your list. As you can see now, you have 4 items on your wish list, okay? One that you added as an idea, and the other are actual products that you saw on Amazon. Also, you can add things that are not in Amazon, okay? You can actually add more products by adding Amazon Assistant to your browser. In this case, I'm using Chrome, so I'm gonna use Amazon Assistant for Chrome. So I'm gonna go to Walmart and I am going to add this camper right here. So if I tap on the product, the actual product, when I have Amazon Assistant installed, this window will pop up right here. And when it pops, you can actually do kind of a benchmarking. And here you have it on Walmart at $119, and in Amazon Assistant there is a deal and it's at $95. So you can choose to add to the cart. So let's look for a product that we cannot find in Amazon. Let's look for this one. Okay, when you have Amazon Assistant installed, you will have it right here at the top. You can see that the pop-up didn't come out. So what we're gonna do is tap on this and we're gonna tap on add to list. It's right here, and here is a product that we want to add, and we're gonna add it to the wish list. We are already logged in, so we're gonna add it to the wish list that we want, that is this one. And now you can go to the wish list right here and update it, and you can see that the PJ from Walmart that you wanted is also here on this Amazon wish list, okay? And you can see that it's added from walmart.ca. So this way that people that is watching your wish list will see that this product is from Walmart, okay? And they can go to shop it on the website, and it will be a whole different process than the Amazon process. This is just to keep the list of the things that you are wanting for Christmas, okay? Now, how you can filter them. Let's say that I want this PJ so much. So I'm gonna move this to the top. See, and you can change here the order and move them. And now here you can see that it says add comment, quantity, or priority. So you will say the priority is the highest. And then this one is the lowest priority. Now I am going to send this list to others. As you can see, once that you invite others or click on invite button right here or send list to others right here, your list change from private to shared. Right here, I'm gonna say send list to others. This is the same process as you invite someone to look for your list. You can invite to view or invite to view and edit. In more, you can manage this list. Okay, this is actually the interesting part. As of now, you just have a wish list and nobody has it because you haven't shared the link and you have prioritized your wish list as how you want it. Now you click on manage list. Here you have your list name and you have the privacy. If you want to share this list on your social media, then you want to make it public. Okay, let's say you want to change it to public, so the privacy will be public, okay? If you just share to few people, then you just need the shared option. The recipient is the person that is going to get the present. In this case is me, so I'm gonna change the recipient name to myself, okay? If you are creating this list for your son or daughter, maybe you want to change the recipient name to the person who is going to receive this gift. And then you can add the email right here. You can choose to do it or not. Here you can add the birthday, and if you don't want to add it, it's okay. You can add a little description of what this list is about, and you can add the shipping address. If you set this as none, then the gift won't be sent to this person unless that you add manually that address of this person because you already know it. If you actually select one address from the drop down, then the person who is gifting you something will be able to select this address. To select it, not to see it. For the person who is going to view your wish list, it's going to only display the city and country where you are located, not the address. Amazon won't disclose your address, okay? So you can change these to address, and you can choose here to don't spoil my surprises. You can change these to default list. Default list means that if you select just the add to wish list button, then it will automatically select the default list, which will be this one in this case. If you change it, and it will appear at the top, the default list of all the lists that you have. In this case, I'm gonna keep this as my default list, and it says keep purchase item on the list. You can choose to do so or not. And don't spoil my surprises means that for you, it will keep the same list even when somebody has bought something for you, okay? During this time, the item will show as unpurchased on the list. If you try to buy an item that someone already got you, Amazon will let you know so you don't buy it. I strongly recommend that you select the shipping address. You can even select a PO box if you want. I think that if you're gonna make this wish list public, then you need to add a shipping address right here. I'm gonna save the changes, and the way that you share your list to others is by copying this link, and you can send this link to your people through WhatsApp, to social media. You can add it to your Instagram, you can add it to your TikTok, you can add it to your social media, whatever it is, or you can privately send emails to include it in your emails, and they will get your wish list. Now, if you decide to get this item that is not from Amazon, then you will need to provide your address to the person who wants to buy this. So that is the con of this option right here. The pro is that you can add ideas and you can add products from other websites, but when it comes to the part that the person is going to actually buy something for you, then they will need the address in order for them to actually buy it and get it to your destiny. Now, the other thing that I wanted to mention is that once that you have more than one wish list set as public and you share this wish list with somebody else, here I have the link of the wish list, your people will be able to see all the lists that you have listed as public. Okay, so if you want to direct someone to the Christmas 2022, then you have this one only set as public, but you have also the friend wish list set as public. So the people you send this wish list will actually be able to click on this wish list and see what you want for that wish list, because you also have this wish list set as public. So you cannot change this. These will be the lists that will be displayed to your friends. Now, let's say that you want to share the wish list from your phone. You can do that as well. I'm gonna show you right now how you can do it. You need to have Amazon app installed, of course, and you will go to your Amazon app, and let's say you want to add these to your wish list. So let's say that you want to share your wish list. You will go to the burger button right here, and then you select your wish list right here, and you will select the wish list that you want to share. We'll invite, and you can view only, and then you tap on copy link from here, and it will change the privacy of the wish list, and you can text message or send it to WhatsApp right here on your phone. Okay, now I'm gonna copy the link from here, and I am going to paste it here on my computer, and I have this wish list right here, and it will appear under my friends. Okay, I can choose to remember this wish list right here, and these are the lists that appear for me for this person, and I am the second person right now. This is a different account, so it will appear for me within the friends section, which is your friends. So I hope this video was useful for you and that you like this video as much as you like the other one. If you have any other questions or comments, let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.